everyone, Rodak here, and today I'm going to tell you how to install VS Code. So basically, we are going to learn C, C++, Java, and everything. But for each programming language, you don't have to download different softwares. So there is one software in which you can do all the programs, which is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So basically, just go to your browser and then I'll show you how to download it. I already downloaded it. I'm not going to uninstall it. Why? Because my net is slow and it will take time to download. So I'm just going to search here Microsoft. No, I'll just VS Code download for Windows. Okay. Yeah, it's of Windows only. So download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, and Windows. Just go there and download it. It's loading. My net is very much slow today. Yeah. So basically, what you have to do is just click on this, and then here it will be downloading. And then when it is done, click on the arrow and open, and then it will tell you. The window will come and it will tell you that would you want to run this program. Just click on the run button, and then it is done. So back, I'll give you something. I'll show you how this works. So basically, just open your Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Okay, so it is getting open. Till then, I'll tell you that if you want to do JavaScript programming, just make a folder anywhere. Okay, anywhere make a folder and name it as you want. I named it JavaScript only. Okay, so this is my Visual Studio Code. It takes a lot of time to open. See, this is my JavaScript. See this. So I'll tell you basic things. I know it's blur. It should not be blur. Okay, so basically you'll see a screen like this in here. So yeah, but okay, I'm going to tell you that if you want to do Python or for any of the programs, you need an extension. So this is the extensions. So just go to it and search extension. Means you have to add extension to do this. So run. Okay. So Java test and the code run. See, can you see code runner? Just click on it and then install. I have already installed, but here will be a button of install. Then you have to just click install there. So now I am going to show you basically that in this settings you can just change the font and style. And what you have to do in settings is settings, and here I have to go in workspace, means this folder, and then you have to type anything you want. For example, okay, there are many options you can do in here. Auto save you can do. See, control auto save of dirty editors. Read more about the auto save here. So I want to auto save. See, after delay means after it is done, means after giving it something to do auto save. And font size, this much size only I want. You can increase or decrease size by doing control plus the plus sign. And here are many of the settings. Okay, so cursor blinking and all. So you can just do it. You can just change your settings as you wish. I'm closing this window, and see, this is my program folder opened here. So what I'll do is go to file and I'll open folder here. See, it will show you like that. And I'm going to teach you JavaScript from today. So I have already created a JavaScript folder on my desktop. So just I'll click it and then select folder. So it is already opened here, and these are the files in it. First .html. So if you want to make a new file, then you can just click here. Okay, here this button. I don't know, can you see or not? The question is, you are going to tell me, of course, that why are you using recorder. Why? It's because my laptop don't have any mic input. Means it can't take a mic input. That's why I'm not using a recorder. Okay. See, here is the new folder, new file option. This is the new folder option, and here new file I'm going to name test.html. I'm just going to show you that what we are going to do in JavaScript. See, Java and JavaScript are both different languages, so we are going to learn JavaScript and web designing. Okay, and I'm going to do control plus. Okay, now I can see it better. See, now I'm tapping shift and exclamation mark and enter. Okay, this you can see, and I'm just giving it title JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript class 1. Okay, hashtag 1. No, that it's a code, so okay, hashtag, no, not hashtag, class. And this is the title, and in body I'll just write it fast so you can see. Script src source, and here I'll make another file which will be named test.js, means JavaScript, and then here I'll just write test.js, test.js. Okay, this is done, and then in here I'll write document dot write this is web designing. I don't know spelling is it. Okay, don't go on my spelling. Okay, this is web development. Okay, so web designing is in HTML and web development is in Java. That means you have to give the design, you need an HTML, means font and all you need HTML, and for the content you need JavaScript. So this is web development, and I'll just write here BR is in HTML if you don't know, and then document dot write, and then here I'll write that this is the first class. Okay, basically this, and then I'll write console dot table that console dot table Ronak, and then your teacher. Okay, I'm your teacher of JavaScript for now, and then age I'm 12, and then gender male or kid also you can tell. Okay, for this done, and I'll just show you. I'll save this. Okay, it is auto save, so it is getting saved automatically, and so it is getting saved automatically, so you don't have to do Ctrl S. Okay, it is getting saved automatically, but if you have not enabled that settings, then just do Ctrl S, and then go to your folder, JavaScript folder. Okay, I made it here, and then in this, can you see test.html? So go to the HTML file, not the JS file. Now see, it will get open in Chrome browser, in this browser. Okay, you can do in the settings. Okay, allow blocked content. So this is web development, this is the first class, and then okay, see what you have to do is, if you want to see your this, then you do right click here and right click, and then open with live server. Just allow access and done. See, can you see here in this Chrome browser? See, this is web development, this is the first class, and then here go to inspect, and then here to the console. Then here also I have done programming. Failed to the server responded with the status of 404 not found. So this is giving simply an error. So what I'll do is console.log. This I'll do. Okay, yes. Okay, so Control S, and see here you'll get Ronak your teacher age 12 gender male, and then you open this age 12 gender male and Ronak your teacher. Okay, so this was HTML, and I'll show you mine even. I'm going to first .html. This I'll open with live server. I'm going to show you what we are going to do. This is very basics. Okay, this is very basic JavaScript. So this I'm showing. I'm also done with basic JavaScript, but I'll teach you how to make color, how to give videos in here and everything. So here also you can check in the inspect console. Your console, and then you can say this I have written using program. So this is not an error. This is my generated error. I have written this error using program. See, this is an error made with console.error function. Okay, and this is warning. If you will not subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will miss my amazing programming. So this we can do with anything. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and from today I'm going to start the JavaScript, and see, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something that if you want to get a job in Google or any companies, which languages will you have to know. So I'm telling top three and enter. See, in my opinion, number one you'll need is not number one, I mean start from number 3. Third number goes to Java. Okay, not JavaScript, Java is different. And number 2, you should learn Python language. Okay, you can create games and everything. And number 1 for getting a job is JavaScript. Okay, so we are going to learn JavaScript, and job can be in lakhs. Okay, so I'm not going to doing for a job, but I am doing for education. So JavaScript is very easy, means it is easy language for web development, and many young coders use JavaScript only. Why? Because you can make apps, you can make games, and everything you can do with JavaScript, and it is easy language. So this was downloading of Visual Studio Code, and see, I have downloaded Atom here, so there is no need because we can do everything in Visual Studio Code. Even C programming, even C++ programming, even HTML programming, every programming can do in Visual Studio Code. So I am uninstalling this Turbo C++, and even okay. So if you don't have much space in your laptop computer, so you can just uninstall these all apps you have of programming and just install this one app. Okay, so but I am not doing it. I am just uninstalling this one. Why? Because this one I downloaded extra. Okay, just I am uninstalling this one. And if you guys enjoyed my video, just hit the like button with the subscribe button, and I'll meet you in the next video with some shocking websites. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.